situations.
The big boys want to see you upstairs.
Which floor? 20th? 26th? 32nd? Not the 51st!
Yes. Congratulations, Mr. Harper.
Hey, did you hear about Bill?
Oh, yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, I wonder who's going to take his place.
That's the big mystery.
Yeah. You getting off?
Not this time, boss.
Son of a bitch!
I believe I can fly. Every night and every cloudy day.
I believe!
Hello. I'm,
Dick, damn glad to finally see you up here.
Hey, man.
Frank Bascombe, see